autonomous safety decoded, Australia, Japan, and the US, as of October 2025. Autonomous vehicle AV safety regulations vary significantly across Australia, Japan, and the US, reflecting national priorities on innovation, infrastructure, and risk management. While all three nations emphasize safety through standards like SAE levels 3 to 4. Differences in frameworks centralized in Australia and Japan versus decentralized in the US shape deployment. Globally, AVS promised 90% fewer accidents. But harmonization lags, with a pack including Japan and Australia leading level 4 to 5 testing amid smart city pilots. This overview decodes key aspects: testing, liability, cybersecurity, and future roadmaps. Australia. National framework with state flexibility. Australia's AV safety regime centres on the National Transport Commission's NTC Automated Vehicle Safety Law, AVSL, under consultation since April 2024, aiming for enactment by 2026. The framework mandates a general safety duty for automated driving system entities, ADSEs, requiring oversight of vehicles from first supply to in-service operation, including OTA updates and crash reporting. Testing requires federal approval via the Road Vehicle Standards Act, with states aligning road rules. No full level for deployment yet, but trials like Adelaide's 2018 demo inform pilots. Liability shifts to ADSE's for system faults, with criminal penalties for non-compliance and insurance reforms pending via CTP adjustments. Cybersecurity follows ISO SAE 21434, emphasizing data privacy under APP. Japan. Level 4 emphasis with strict oversight. Japan leads AV safety with its 2020 Road Traffic Act amendments, enabling Level 3 conditional automation on public roads since April, and Level 4 specified autonomous operation via 2023 revisions. The framework requires permission from prefectural public safety commissions for Level 4 trials, mandating remote monitoring, data recorders, and fallback systems for operational design domains, ODD. Liability rests with autonomous operation managers for accidents, with criminal penalties under the Penal Code. And the Road Transport Vehicle Act enforces safety certification for cybersecurity, aligns with UNR 157, limiting speeds to 130 km per hour on highways for Level 3. Japan's roadmap targets Level 4 services in 40 locations by 2025 and 100 by 2030. Supported by events like Automotive World Expo, focusing on public transport and delivery. With 9.3% global AV share, Japan prioritizes safety through 1,000 to 5,000 hour validations, potentially reducing its 3,000 annual road deaths by 50%. US. Federal guidelines with state patchwork, AWS, relies on NHTSA's January 2025 AV STEP framework, proposing a voluntary program for ADS oversight without mandating standards, emphasizing self-certification and incident reporting, for example, crashes, safety interventions. FMVSS exemptions allow non-compliant AVs, for example, no mirrors if safety equivalent, with the third amended SGO 2021-201 effective June 2025, requiring 50,000 miles of safety driver testing. Liability falls under state tort laws, with federal pushes for uniform insurance. Cybersecurity mandates ISO SAE 21434 amid breaches like Jaguar's costing $4.45 million. States lead. California requires 50,000 miles testing for driverless permits. Comments until June 2025, while Arizona and Nevada allow commercial ops. With 15.8 meters vehicle sales and 1.8% Q3 growth, US AVs could save 90% of 36,000 annual deaths. But fragmentation hinders scale, with 30% market share goal by 2030. Comparative insights. Decentralized AVSL 2026 ensures uniformity but delays deployment. Japan's Level 4 focus 40 sites by 2025 excels in oversight via prefectural permits. The US's NHTSA guidelines AV STEP promote innovation but create state inconsistencies. all align with UNR 1574, Level 3, 130 km/h highways, but Japan leads Level 4, US innovation. And Australia harmonization. Cybersecurity, ISO 21434 is universal, with US breaches underscoring risks. By 2030, AVS could reduce deaths 40 to 90%, but global standards are needed for cross-border testing. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.